Alright, we're at CC's Pizza for lunch, and they have an arcade. We're mainly checking out the arcade, but while we're here, we're gonna eat. I've ate at CC's in St. Louis before. Pizza's okay. The last one we went to, the arcade, was crappy, but this one's supposed to be really good, so we'll see. It's supposed to be a really good CC's. Alright, so this is the arcade. I don't know that we're staying. I'm a little disappointed. As we're waiting in line, I saw the Wizard of Oz machine is not on. It is turned off. Let's see if there's any other games. It's worth it. Down the Clown is broken. Shooting Mania is broken. Floppy Birds is broken. So half the machines are off. We're not staying. This is lame. We're not gonna eat here. We're gonna go somewhere else. Alright, so it's not a bad arcade if half the games were working or were on. But definitely, I look at the prices real quick, but not even, yeah. Oh my god, half the games are off. It makes no sense. Donkey Kong is off. Alright, that's it.
I'm not wasting any money.
Alright, that was CC's. We did not stay. Even though it's like only like 11:20, it's pretty crowded already. Their buffet was extremely small. It only had 4 pizzas on it, and there's at least 50 people there. I'm not fighting people over pizza. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy my lunch somewhere else. Half the games in the arcade was shut off, and I looked at the prize room real quick. It sucked. Nothing interesting.
It was empty.
It was empty.
A lot of bare shelves.
A lot of bare shelves. I'd rather go to. There's plenty of other arcades in Branson that are much nicer. I don't mind pizza buffets. I like Incredible Pizzas in St. Louis. Is really, really good. I'm just not here to fight pizza. wait in line, because there was way too many people just sitting around waiting for pizza. Alright, we're at Getting Basted. This is a barbecue place. And we're here instead of CC's because CC's was crowded and disappointing, and so we ate here at Winter. We ate here in December and loved it. And so I'm sure there is something I will find. Alright, I got pulled pork with corn and fries, and Robert got pulled pork with baked beans and mac and cheese. And it is very, very, very good. Alright, we just finished lunch at Getting Basted. It's a barbecue place. It's so good. I highly recommend it if you're in Branson. I'm so glad we decided to skip CC's and come here instead. It was so, so good. And you can go ahead, Robert.
I have nothing to say except the beans were delicious.
The beans. He got the beans.
If you like beans, they're
There's 3 beans. The macaroni and cheese was no big deal.
It didn't have a lot of flavor.
The corn dish was awesome.
There was too much roux.
And the fries were really good. So the only thing is I don't recommend the macaroni and cheese. Everything else was amazing. We had the pulled pork.
Pulled pork's delicious.
Pulled pork was delicious. Now we're off to the fish hatchery. This is a hard corner to see from.
Hard corner to negotiate.
That guy go first, and you can hopefully see.
In front of him.
You're going up for. Okay.
I'm entitled.
Here we go. Here we go. You're
Enjoy
entitled. Anyway, what was I saying? Lunch was great. And now we're going to fish hatchery, and then we might go to one more arcade, and then we're gonna head home. We were actually supposed to stay all night tonight. We do have free room. It's just, unfortunately, it's supposed to snow starting at 4 a.m. and to get home we have to take 44, and 44 gets shut down a lot.
Very curvy too.
Very curvy.
Very
Anyway, long story short, usually we don't let the weather bug us, but with it being below freezing, we just don't want to be stuck in Branson. I hate cutting this trip short, but it's supposed to snow 4 a.m. until noon tomorrow, and originally we were just going to sleep in and leave after the snow stopped, but we're just worried.
It's going to be very, very cold, so they're not going to be able to get the snow off.
They're not going to be able to get the snow off the roads in a timely manner, and we don't want to be stuck here because of our pets, and then our pet sitter, he's, you know, they're worried in St. Louis too. He's worried about getting to our house to get to the pets. So we're gonna drive home tonight, listen to the hockey game on the way home. We're not in a hurry to leave. We will drive home in the dark. It's fine. It's just we want to beat the snow. It's just, it is a bear. A sloth. That's a sloth. There's a picture of a sloth.
There's Bigfoot.
There's Bigfoot. Anyway, we would have got up early and left to home tomorrow anyway. It's just, I really like our hotel room, and the bed was super comfortable. That I didn't hear noise from anyone else. So we stayed at the Fairfield Inn Marriott Suites. What's it called? We're driving right past it.
It's a Marriott hotel, but it's Fairfield Inn.
Fairfield Inn and Suites.
The location's perfect.
I highly recommend it if you're in Branson. It's a fine hotel. It was clean. It's nice. We did not get up for the free breakfast. We slept in. They did have
close to the wineries too.
It's close to the wineries. If you want to walk to the wineries, we were gonna do that tonight.
Not gonna do it.
Not gonna do it now. I just don't want to get stuck here. It's a bummer. But we'll come back. We do love Branson.
There's another winery.
There's a winery right there. There's Curling Vine Winery. That was St. James Winery back there. You can't see it on my phone as I'm talking. So it's a bummer. But I just never thought in March that we'd have to worry about snow. I know a lot of people across the Midwest are getting a lot of snow. I know, like, one of my favorite YouTubers, Ann, is getting tons of snow. She's used to it. Iowa gets snow. This just isn't normal for our area in March, and so that's why I keep going on about it. It should have been long gone by now. So it's not. We're gonna have snow tomorrow, and we're gonna have snow 2 times next week. I really thought we were done. I guess maybe we will finally get to use those snowshoes. Yeah. Maybe since I don't get to do anything tomorrow, we might crack out the snowshoes and do a video on my expensive Amazon Prime snowshoes. The snow's
not gonna melt right away.
It's not gonna melt right away because it's gonna be below freezing for a while.
Rooster.
I don't see a big rooster.
There's a big, look at that rooster.
Okay, I see a big rooster now. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. I'll start recording again when we're at the fish hatchery. We've been there before. I enjoy it. It is 40 out, but we got our winter coats on. We will still walk around a little. So we're back in our room. I just wanted to show you what I bought at the toy museum real quick. I bought this Fraggle Rock keychain. Is this not adorable? So cute. And then I got this world's smallest glowworm, and it does light up. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Oh my god. It really does light up. I just can't do it one-handed. Trust me, it lights up. And then I got Robert, the world's smallest Hot Wheels. This is that little racetrack that we were playing in the museum. This is one of his favorite childhood memories, so I was happy to see that they had the little toy version. So the gift shop was fine. It just was like, it wasn't any vintage collectible toys like I kind of thought maybe they would be. It was all new toys or reproduction toys. It was a cute gift shop. And I don't know what I said earlier in the video. So we only made it halfway. We made it through, there's 2 buildings, and we made it through the first building. We did not make it to the second building. We were gonna go back after lunch. The second building has Star Wars, Star Trek, Barbie, and BB guns. And we just, we might still go back today. We have all day to do it. But after lunch, we went to the fish hatchery, which I really enjoy. So I don't know. Anyway, I highly recommend the toy museum if you're in the area. I said earlier, it's $20 a person. I actually think it's well worth it. If you're into toys, reminiscing childhood memories, definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're here to check out 80s World. Yay, 80s World. Alright, I just left the 80s shop, and I did not record inside because they had 80s music playing extremely loud, and I just didn't feel like getting a copyright strike. But it was a cute little shop. It's a mixture of a couple vintage 80s items and then newer stuff. Oh, they actually had a whole bunch of band t-shirts that were older, and then CDs and tapes, and it's just a mixture of new and old. And they also have newer toys that are flashback of 80s. But they also had some 80s vintage stuff. So look what I found. They had the Shirt Tells barrettes. This is the original container box from the 80s, $7.89. She actually had like 6. I only bought 3. And then they had the tiger. There's a couple duplicates. And then they had, look at this, barrettes. So yeah, Shirt Tells. Is that not awesome? They had some Alf stickers. I almost got the Alf stickers, but I decided to be happy with my shirt tails because these are definitely retail prices. And I like Alf. I just don't collect that much Alf stuff. Plus the stickers were $8. If they were like $1, of course I would have bought them. But I spent a little too much money this weekend. So I was happy with this. And there's a couple band shirts we kind of wanted, but they didn't have our sizes. So I don't know if they're original 80s t-shirts or if they're remakes. Did you think they were original or remakes?
Some of them were original, some were remakes, but even the remakes look.
Yeah, it was still a good price.
They weren't cheap quality, so.
No, they were very good t-shirts.
I liked what
the
I
two
saw.
we liked were not our sizes. They had a Michael Jackson one I wanted, not my size. Robert wanted a Rush one, not his size. It is a bummer, but we'll come back. The lady working here was super nice. We actually ended up talking to her for a half hour, just talking about the history of the area. And it's only 3 o'clock. I think we're just gonna head home now. We went to an arcade. We didn't play any games because the 2 games we liked were broken. And so I think we're just gonna head home. I know it's cutting the trip so short.
We're gonna go to the cheese shop first. The cheese. We're gonna get cheese.
Well, of course. We always stop by the cheese shop.
Yeah, but we usually do it first, and I'm not passing it up this time.
Of course.
I have to have my cheese.
I'm perfectly fine with going to cheese, please. Yes. We're gonna go back to the hotel, get our stuff. We're not. Since we had free room, we're not really losing money. It's just everyone's freaking out about the storm. I don't want to worry about it, so we're heading home. And I don't know, it just makes me not even want to do anything, because like the whole arcade, we usually would have loved it, and we're just walking through and we really weren't in the mood. I think we're just stressed about the weather. Don't want to be stuck here when we have pets to worry about. So anyway, we're gonna get our stuff in the hotel, get some cheese, maybe some more Krispy Kreme donuts, because those were good last night, and then we're gonna beat the snow home. Alright, here we are, the cheese store, the cheese store. Yeah, really. No, you need a basket. Totally need a basket. They got super hot right here.
Yeah, see,
You didn't like it last time?
I didn't like it last time. I gotta go with what I know.
They don't have any pimento cheese.
The bigger the slices, the better, too. What?
They don't have any pimento cheese. Or wait, here it is right here.
You got your basket.
I got my basket.
You had to have your basket.
You're using my basket.
Yes,
I
I
see
am.
you appreciate it.
I definitely appreciate it. Let's see, we're gonna get the garden spicy. Let me block it out, because that's,
Spicy.
you know, I like that. It's good. It's very good.
So many cheeses.
Yeah, that's good.
You hold
That's
that.
about it.
We're home. Ollie, get back here. Get back here. Dad, come here. Oh, get back here. I got the cat.
All right. He's got
He's
the-
making a run for it.
Hey, mister.
There's the suitcase. Oh man, that was way too short. But we made it home. It's 7 o'clock, just in time for the hockey. Look, there's Monkey. For the hockey game. Robert, are you pushing me out of the way to turn the TV on?
No, I'm pushing out the way so I can use the restroom.
Alright, 4 hours in the car. 4 hours. I'm turning the TV on. Anyway, yep, we came home. We actually already, snow plows are getting ready, but there's no snow yet. It's not supposed to start till like 2 a.m. here. So, so sad about being home. So sad about being home. It better really snow or I'm going to be quite upset. So, anyway, thanks for watching. And I'm not going to quite end this vlog yet, this weekend vlog yet, because I'm going to wake up in the morning and see if there's any snow or not and add that to the end of this video. So, I'll be back in the morning. Alright, it did snow. It is Sunday morning, so I'm glad we came home last night. Okay, this is my second attempt at the ending, because my first video I'm posting separately, because as I was talking, a truck slid into the neighbor's mailbox, and now the snowplow is trying to make sure everyone's doing the right thing, which I think is awesome. So, but the neighbors did stick around and give their info to that guy. Anyway, long story short, separate video, accidentally caught an accident on my camera. So, Nobody got hurt. Just slid into a mailbox. So yes, I am absolutely 100% glad we came home last night, cut our Branson trip short, because even in this subdivision, the roads are bad. I can't imagine what the interstate is like. I don't even know why people are going out. It's Sunday. Stay home, people. It's Sunday. This is the one reason we left yesterday, is because the state of Missouri did issue an advisory telling everyone to stay off the roads this morning. So I am staying home. Matter of fact, my husband's still sleeping. I can't sleep in. I'm an 8-hour girl, and then I get up after 8 hours. So that's the only neighbor being good. Shoveling, I will shovel after it quits. I don't even know if it's snowing at this point or just blowing around. I don't know. But the one good thing about our subdivision is our dues pay for separate snowplow service, and they are very, very good. And my whole the whole town I live in, it's a small town. They take care of the roads really well, and you can definitely tell it when you drive to a neighboring town, because not all towns take care of their roads as well as my town does. See, here's another snowplow. That's the third one we've seen. So, yay! Anyway, not that I'm going anywhere. I'm rambling again. This is why I'm so bad at doing endings. I tend to ramble. So anyway, thanks for watching my Branson road trip. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.